wanted to introduce you to my newest baby. This is Magic, and he's a Mancoon cat like his brother Taavi. And I know you guys haven't gotten to see him on Taavi on film much because he's a little bit antisocial, but he loves the kitten, and I'll put a video in of them playing. And Magic is the exact opposite. He's lovable and affectionate and very social. And he's blind in his left eye, but other than that, he's perfect. And he's about 2 months old. So we estimate that he was born on September 4th. So I'll also show you some of their favorite toys that their Auntie Megan got for them. And I hope you're enjoying this day with your fur baby. Bye! Magic. Taavi, you're a good boy. Magic. You can expect it, right? Face off, but no hissing. Taavi, Magic. Taavi, Magic. I also want to show you some awesome cat toys that have been a big hit that came from PetSmart and Target, I believe. So I have them actually all together in this bag that came from the Fry Life. It says Choose Joy. It's also great to take to the hospital. It's like a drawstring backpack. And it says the Fry Life on the bottom. And I have all the cat toys in here. And this first one is a huge hit. This is a laser beam that basically is automatic, and the cats go crazy for it, and it shuts itself off after about 20 minutes. But the lasers go everywhere, and it's 2 AA batteries. So this has been a huge hit. And then, let's see. Another one is, I'll just put it down here and let the kitties play with it. Let's see. Another one is this little birdie, or I'm sorry, this little mouse, and it's got a Velcro pocket on it. Let's see if I can find it. It's got a Velcro pocket on it, and you put catnip in it. This has been a big hit. So it's a mouse, and then it's refillable with catnip. And then, let's see. This one is a bird, and it's very squeaky. It tweets, so this has been a big hit as well. And the last one is the fishing rod that you'll see in another clip video. It's basically a tassel on a rubber fishing rod, and then it's got little beads in it so it makes a sound when you move it. So those have been a really big hit with the kitties. They get along really, really well. Magic is my cuddle bug. He loves to cuddle. And Taavi is the protector, and he's super smart and gentle. He understands a lot of vocabulary, as does Magic already, and Magic knows his name. And I've only had him a week today, and Taavi also knows Magic's name. So when I say, "Where is Magic?" Taavi starts looking for him. It's pretty awesome. So I hope you guys enjoy this cat video, and happy National Cat Day. Love you guys, and until next time, love, light, and blessings. Bye!